Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, back up your device and charge it above 50% so you avoid shutdown during repair. Make sure you have tri-point or Phillips drivers, plastic pry tools, and an anti-static surface. Once ready, power the phone down, eject the SIM tray, and remove any case or external covers. This exposes screws and seams. Then remove visible screws and use a pry tool to separate the back panel slowly. Do not force it, because clips and adhesive need gradual tension to release safely. Once inside, take care to catalog screw sizes and keep adhesive pieces. Organization prevents reassembly errors. You need to locate the power button assembly and its flex cable. This usually sits near the top edge under a shield. Carefully remove shielding, then inspect the button dome, spring or plastic clip, and the flex cable for tears or corrosion. Use a magnifier if you can. If you have a multimeter, test continuity on the cable while pressing the button to confirm a mechanical or electrical fault before replacing parts. You now install the replacement button or flex cable. Align the part, press connectors gently, and secure any brackets with their screws. Clean contact pads and connectors with 90% isopropyl, let dry, then reseat the battery connector last to avoid shorts. Reapply adhesive or new gasket, close the back, and torque screws to hand tight. Do not over-tighten. Finally, boot the phone and test power press cycles. If the button still fails, reset CMOS by disconnecting battery 10-20 seconds, or try a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.